Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for candied yams. But these aren't just any candied yams, they are topped with a delicious brown sugar and pecan streusel that is perfect for Thanksgiving. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed and have turned on notifications so you won't miss any new recipes. Now let's get started. For these yams, you will need 3 cups of fresh sweet potatoes or 40 ounces of canned yams, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 beaten eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of flour, and 1 cup of chopped pecans. Begin by placing the boiled sweet potatoes or canned yams into a large mixing bowl, then use a hand mixer to beat the sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla, and milk until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Pour the mashed yams into a greased 9x13 baking dish. Next, make the topping. In a small mixing bowl, combine the brown sugar, melted butter, and flour. Sprinkle the brown sugar topping over the yams. Top the streusel with the chopped pecans and then bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. I hope you enjoy these candied yams as much as I do. They have become a family tradition at our house and we eat them every Thanksgiving. The full recipe will be down in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.